Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to another unboxing. So this unboxing is from my love story. I blocked out my name and everything, so you guys, I'm all safe. I'm all safe. So this this manga I've been trying to get for a while because I wanted to support Maida. She's one of the pulses, and she has her book out right now. I think right now, or throughout this whole month, her book will be 20% off. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna have links down below so you guys can check her out. You know, I'm about to do it, and I have her book here, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. So here we go with the unboxing. I got my trusty dusty utility knife. Justin used it because, you know, he was doing his like plumbing work and stuff. So yeah, it's a straightforward cut. You know, you cut right along this brown line, and after you cut along that brown the brown line, you get the book. And I love how it's like, I love how it's covered. Like, look at guys, look how beautiful. Ain't it cute? So yeah, I love how the boxing is. Like, it's just wrapped up. So like, let's say you do make a cut and you mistakenly cut through like a little bit on the cardboard itself, it won't get to the book. I believe, like, I don't know. I just feel like it won't get to the book. So that's a plus when it comes down to boxing. Boxing was very having this in this box was very, very much, they thought about it. So yes, my love story. It's about Mia Moore. She's an inspiring writer, but all of her stories focus on the same thing, which is love. So it's only natural that she documents her experience with her crush into a love story, right? What? I read that wrong. Oh my god. Okay. So it is only natural that she documents her experience with her crush into a love story, right? But what happens when the relationship goes south and Mia still likes the guy? Follow along and watch the high school drama unfold. So this is something that I've been watching for a while, and it's on to pass and everything like that. But I wanted the physical. Like, everybody knows me and physicals. I love paper. I love physical copies because I have my own little set of indie comic creators in one little spot. And you know, this is a nice little topic to talk about, and also it helps support the artist. So I've been following it. I know me Mia Moore, her story basically is almost like what Mita went through. Went through with all her crushes and stuff like that. And it's just a little hint. It's not like, I don't think it's overboard, you know. I'm not too sure, but I know she said that, you know, it reflects off of what she went through and stuff. So I'm actually excited to read it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna read it, and then I'm gonna do a review towards the end. So give me one moment. Yeah, guys, I'm back. It's a really good story. I recommend it. She had wrote in the back that this story was based heavily on her experience, but the characters weren't developed as much so that she doesn't give off, you know, who the two might be. So it was very interesting to read that little part in the back. Honestly speaking, her friends, Mia has two friends. One is Dallas and Anne. They're basically there. I feel like they're like the support group for her because when she was showing the stories, or the stories fell, and they was like, oh, let me check it out, you know, and she was very shy about it. You know, it just gave off that vibe to me. I didn't like Jake in half the book because he seemed like a douche to me. Like, I'm so sorry. But I was like, how dare you? Like, if you read the story, you will know what I'm talking about. There's just this one part in in the middle of the book that he does something to Mia, and I'm like, how dare you? Like I was pissed off, and I didn't think that it would give me that type of emotion. So I think she did a really good job. She says that it's her first book, and she's an amateur, so it wasn't as great as it could be. But honestly speaking, she did give that emotion, because I hated Jake for that moment. Like, he was gonna get beat up messing with my girl Mia. You know what I'm saying? So yes, a nice short read, not a lot of words. I'm gonna show you guys like just a couple of pages because I don't want to ruin it. But you can see that the text box, it doesn't really have that much like words in it. It's very nice and short, something that it reminds me of my work. So that's what I like. It mostly plays on imagery more than it does anything. Actions speak louder than words. So that's what I liked about the book. Um, the book was in black and white. In her to pass, yeah, in her to pass, because I know it's on to pass. It's in the first couple of pages was in color, and I remember reading it, and it was in color, and I was like, oh, that's gonna be sweet. And then it went straight to black and white, and I was like, oh, but it's all good. It's all good, cause it was still enjoyable. It was already black and white throughout the whole read, so it wasn't like that little, it wasn't that feel of any type of disappointment or anything, because the artwork was still beautiful, the visuals were still good, so I really enjoyed it. I love how simple the backgrounds are, because it doesn't like interfere with the characters. It brings the characters out more, so that's what I like about it. I wish that I did something so simple. But yeah, that's basically what it is, and it feels just like a manga. It's a cute little story, and I think that this is perfect for Valentine's Day. So guys, if your ladies are into manga, I think this is something you should get. Again, it's in lulu.com. I'm gonna put the info down and below so that you can be able to get it. It's 20% off right now, so I think it'll be perfect for you guys to get it now than later. Or if you want to get it later, you can get it later too. I always recommend supporting the artist. I love doing it myself, so why not, right? Give it a stop. So yeah, guys, if you like that story, like that little bit, I didn't want to ruin it for you guys, so that's why I'm giving you that little bit. But if you like that, hit that like. And if you're new here and you're like, Bess, oh my God, that was nice, and you just want to click around, get to know me, and you like what I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe, become a post, become one of our family members. I do all art related stuff, comics and everything like that. Again, guys, remember that I stream Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to be there. For this segment, I do want to showcase some of the Celestial Pulse artwork, so let's go ahead and start that off. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the slide. I want to thank every artist that went ahead and they gave me a piece of art. Like, that's, oh my God, you don't understand how much life it gives me to see you guys just enjoy Celestial Pulse, enjoy me, and just do fan art. Like, I don't expect it, and I just thank you guys, because I don't, it feels good. It feels really good. Just to be appreciated that way. I love art, so that is just like another loving everybody. Okay, yeah, that's the end of this video. The end of my loving. Again, guys, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.